Exercise 2, Standard 11, question number 7. Let fg be a function from R to R, defined respectively by fx is given x plus 1, gx is given 2x minus 3. We want to find out f plus g, f minus g and f by g, and I have added one extra f into g also. Okay, so f plus g means addition of two function, f minus g means subtraction of two function, f into g means multiplication of two function, and f by g means division of two function, or we can say quotient of two function. Okay, so first of all we will find out f plus g. Now f plus g is defined as domain of f intersection domain of g. So here what is domain of f? R. What is domain of g? R. So R intersection R. 2 common codomain, that is R. So that is f plus g will be a function from R intersection is R is what? R to R. And f plus g of x is equal to fx plus gx. And what is the value of fx given? X plus 1. What is the value of gx given? 2x minus 3. See, that is equal to x plus 2x is equal to 3x, and 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now second, f into g extra. F into g again same, domain of f intersection domain of g to R, and R intersection R, domain of f both are R only, so R intersection R is R. So therefore you will get what? F into g will be a function from R to R, and f into g of x will be fx into gx. So what is the value of fx? That you see x plus 1. What is the value of gx? That is 2x minus 3. Now do the product, x into 2x minus 3 plus 1 into 2x minus 3 on expansion, you will get the answer. Okay. Now f minus g, same, f minus g will be a function from where to a domain of f intersection of domain of g to R, common codomain. So that is R. So R intersection R to R, that is R to R, and f minus g of x equal to fx minus gx, that is x plus 1 minus bracket 2x minus 3 expansion, you will get the answer minus x minus 4. Okay, now f by g, that is very important. F by g is a function defined from domain of f intersection of domain of g minus those elements which are making gx 0. Why? Denominator should not be 0. So 2 common codomain, that is R. Common codomain is R. So R intersection R is R minus what is making gx 0. You come here, see 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If I put, then 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. It means when x is equal to 3 by 2, gx will be 0. So we have to remove what? Those values which are making gx 0. So I am removing what? 3 by 2. So r minus 3 by 2. 2 where? Common codomain R. Now f by g of x is equal to what? Fx upon gx. Fx is what? X plus 1. Gx is what? 2x minus 3. That only. Here x is not equal to 3 by 2. There is no need to mention. Why? Because already we have removed from the domain. In this x cannot take the value 3 by 2. This x cannot take the value 3 by 2. So there is no need to write here. Okay. Now question number 8. Let f is a function of order pairs 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, comma, minus 3. Be a function. This is function given, defined from z to z. And fx is equal to x plus b. Additional, they have given this also. Two ways they have shown. Now for some integers a, b, fx equal to x plus b. Determine a and b. Okay, now listen. F of 1, this is the value of x, and this is the value of fx. It means when x is 1, f of 1 will be what? 1. When x is 1, f of 1 will be what? 1. So f of 1, you see, fx is ax plus b. So f of y will be ay plus b, f of z will be az plus c, b, sorry, z plus b, f of anything will be a into anything plus b. So here f of 1 will be what? A into 1 plus b is equal to 1 is there. Now what is a into 1? A plus b is equal to 1. Now, so we got one relation in a and b. Now instead of taking this, I am taking this one. So again, when x is 0, f of 0 is what? Minus 1. F of 0 is minus 1. These are the values of x. First values are the values of x, and second values are the values of fx. Okay. So when x is 0, f of 0 is how much? Minus 1. F of 0 is how much? Minus 1. Now f of 0 according to this will be what? A into 0 plus b, that is 0 plus b. So we are getting b. B is equal to minus 1. So this value of b, that is minus 1, you put here. A minus 1 is equal to 1. A minus 1 is equal to, so minus 1 will go to that side. So it will be plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to. So we found a also, a is 2, and b, that is minus 1. Let R be relation from end to end defined by R is equal to order pair AB, where AB belongs to and A is equal to B square. Here the elements of R are A, B such that satisfying this condition. Are the following true? We want to check one by one. A belongs to R. Is it possible? AB belongs to R. Then BA belongs to R. Is it possible? If AB, BC are the elements of R, then AC belongs to R. We want to check one by one all, and we want to justify also. Now see, here A and B are the natural numbers. So we want to check does this a is equal to b square possible for all natural numbers? So I am taking for a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1 square is possible. But when you take a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2, other than what, here we want to check a belongs to R. So I am taking a is equal to 2. Okay. So is 2 is equal to 2 square according to this condition? Is, see, a means a is equal to a square. AB belongs to R means this a should be equal to b square. Means here a belongs to R means a is equal to a square. Means it should be true for every natural number. For n is equal to 1, it is true. For one natural number, that is 1, it is true. 1 is equal to 1 square is true. But is it true for other? You put 2 comma 2. So when we put 2 comma 2, we want to check this condition. 2 is equal to 2 square. 2 is equal to 2 square is possible. 2 is equal to 4 is possible. So 2 is not equal to 2 square. Therefore 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Therefore this statement is false. Again I am repeating, here a comma a should belongs to R, but under a condition a is equal to b square for all natural number. So I am saying 2 is not equal to 2 square. I know that 2 is not equal to 2 square. It means 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R. 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R. So therefore I can say this statement is not true. This statement is not true. This is true only for what? One natural number, that is what? 1. 1 is equal to 1 square is possible. So therefore 1 comma 1 belongs to R is true. But for other natural number it is not true. Now second, AB belongs to R. Does it imply that BA belongs to R? Okay, let us check. I am taking one element 4 2. 4 2 is an element of R. Why? I am saying 4 is equal to 2 square. I know that 4 is equal to 2 square. So therefore 4 2 belongs to R. Now I will check 2 comma 4, because when AB belongs to R, we want to check BA belongs to R. So I am checking 2 comma 4. Is 2 comma 4 belongs to R? No. Why? Because I know 2 is not equal to 4 square. 2 is not equal to 16. So therefore 4 2 belongs to R, but 2 4 does not belongs to R. So therefore this statement is also false. Now they are saying AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R. Then does AC belongs to R? That we want to check. Okay, so first I am taking 16 comma 4. Yes, it belongs. Why? 16 is equal to 4 square. I am taking 4 comma 2. Why? Because 4 is equal to 2 square is true. So these two are the elements of R. But 16 comma 2, does it belong? This 16 comma 2. This 16 comma 2, does it belong? Is 16 is equal to 2 square? Is the 16 is equal to 2 square? No. It means AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, but AC does not belongs to R. Means 16 comma 4 belongs to R. True. 4 comma 2 belongs to R. True. But 16 comma 2 does not belongs to R. Therefore this statement is also false. Now question number 10. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16, and F they have defined 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11. They are asking, are the following true? First, F is a relation from A to B. Is F a relation from A to B? Relation means what? A subset of A cross B. So in mind you can think, well, A cross B elements will be what? First elements of A will come and then elements of B will come. Now let us check, does this F, the set they have defined, is a subset of A cross B? Yes, I am saying it is a subset. Why? First element 1, 2, 3, 4, again 2. Yes, they are the elements of A. Second component 5, 9, 1, 5, 11. 5, 9, 1, 5, 11. Yes, 1, 5, 9, 11. They are the elements. So therefore this F is a subset of A cross B and hence it is a relation from A to B. Okay. Next, is F a function from A to B? Now for function, again I am repeating the definition. If every element of set A is uniquely associated with the element of set B, then this association is called a function. Okay, let us check. Here I can see 2 comma 9. See, this is 2 comma 9 and this is 2 comma 11. Means 2 is associating with 9 also and 2 is associating with 11 also. Means one element of set A is associating with more than one element of set B, means no unique association. Therefore it is not a function. Question number 11. Let F be a subset of Z cross Z defined by F of AB is equal to, F is equal to set of order pair AB comma A plus B where AB belongs to Z. Is F a function from set to set? We want to check. Is this a function? Justify also. Okay, I am taking few values. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. What will happen? AB will be 2 and A plus B, that is 1 plus 2 will be 3. Now again I am taking A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to minus 2. So minus 1 into minus 2 will be what? 2. And A plus B, that is minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. So what is again you are observing? 2 is associating with 3 also and 2 is associating with minus 3 also. So therefore again no unique association. Therefore it is not a function. Now question number 12. Let A is a set containing elements 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and F is a function defined from A to N by what? Fn is equal to the highest prime factor of N. Find the range of f. Okay, so highest prime factor, first of all we will take the values f of n will take come from where? A. What are the elements of a? 9. So f of 9 is equal to, what is the highest prime factor of 9? 3 into 3, 9. So highest prime factor is 3. F of 10, 10 means what? 2 into 5. So what is the highest? 5. F of 11, 1 into 11. So 11 is the highest. F of 12, that is 4 into 3. So 3 is the highest. F of 13, 1 into 13. So 13 is the highest prime factor. So therefore the elements are 3, 5, 11. 3 again, there is no need to write again. 13. So range of this function is 3, 5, 11 and 13.